Astros lead it 1-0. In the air, deep to left field, fair or foul. That ball's a home run. 2-0 Astros, Correa. That ball's hit hard to right field, all the way back to the wall. This ball's gone. Carlos Correa to right field. Two-run home run, cuts the lead in half. It's now 4-2.
That's ripped to right field. That's a flyer toward the seats. Opposite field, home run, Carlos Correa. Well, he'll settle for his fourth hit of the night. It's just a single, a four-hit game for Correa.
That is hit deep to center. Inciarte goes back and it's off. The
Correa's success, 2-0. And Carlos drives this one pretty deep to right center field. Going back is Judge at the wall, looking up. See you later. A two-run home run for Carlos Correa, and the Astros jump out to a 2-0 lead.
What a play! Just as you sit down, Carlos Correa goes to work. At Correa, what a stab and the throw!
Few that have that net up above the dugout. Encarnacion, and it's speared by Correa. Correa jumping catch and deep, short, shallow left.
Right at Correa, makes a leaping grab, and that's the ball game.
He sends one deep to left field. This ball is gone. Two-run home run. Welcome back, Carlos Correa. It's now a 3-2 Tigers lead. There's a ball driven to left field. Correa with another home run against Santiago has given Houston a 2-0 lead. Carlos with his ninth home run of the season. Fly ball to left field, pretty well hit. Rua back to the track. This ball's gone. Home run. Carlos Correa picking up in June where he left off in May, and the Astros lead it 3-0.
I think they're not excited.
Situation. There's a slider hit deep to right center field, all the way back. Two-run home run. Carlos Correa. The center field, Brugman all the way back, looking up, back-to-back home runs for Correa in 2 at-bats.
That's
pitch, and that's rifled down the third baseline. Two-run double for Correa.
Altuve goes 0-2.
Currently, Carlos Correa to center field. That sends Pilar all the way back. He's at the wall. He'll jump. Gone. Home run. Carlos Correa. Two-run shot to center field, and the Astros take the early 2-0 lead.
That's back-to-back jacks for the Astros, and it is 5-0.
Singles, a homer, and he belts this one. Center field, sending back Kevin Pilar. He's going to look up. There it goes. And the second home run for Correa in this one, an even 20.
Into center field, Correa bidding. Heredia back. Carlos Correa. He has gone yard.
Carlos Correa.
There he goes. Grabs it. Correa deep to left field will stay bare. This ball's gone. Carlos Correa matches his career high with his 22nd home run.
Right-hander delivers, and Correa drives one pretty deep to right field. This sends back Mazara at the wall, looking up. See you later. Second home run of the game for Carlos Correa, and the Astros lead is 11-2.
4 hits for Correa.
Who wants it? Correa. And for the first time in 16 years, the Astros are division champs. Correa up. In the left. Well struck. Going back. Mookie Betts. Looking up. This ball's gone. Correa has done it again.
First base for Carlos Correa with 2 out. Fastball is hammered. A 2-run home run for Carlos Correa and a 2-0 lead for the Astros. That is down the line.
And Altuve over, and he's being waved around third. It's fumbled down in the corner. 2 more runs on, and the Astros have busted this thing wide open. 7-1.
Correa waits back on an off-speed pitch and sends it in the air to deep center. Bradley's back, and that ball's gone. A A skyscraping home run from Carlos Correa. And the Astros lead it 3-0.
The fourth inning. Altuve not going 3-2, and Correa hits this one out in the right center field, and that one's going to get down for a base hit. Altuve is on his way to third base, and Altuve around third and coming home. Here's a throw to the plate by Gregorius. It's dropped by Sanchez. Altuve scores, and the Astros win it 2-1. Carlos Correa, the hero.
Here's one into left center field off the bat of Correa. Altuve and Correa go back to back. And it's 5-3 here in the 10th inning with Houston on top. That's a base hit. Into second, Correa.